And here we are with another parent, this time from the preparatory area of the school. And I'd love you to introduce yourself
Yeah,
and
sure.
just give us a little history about why you're here at Springdale School.
Yeah, all right. I'm Dr. Nidhi Sehgal. I work as the head of School for Business and Humanities at Curtin, Dubai. This is an Australian university,
Ah,
and I teach business subjects to students at undergraduate and postgraduate levels. So my child, Omisha Sehgal, has been studying here since KG1. So from the very beginning, and she is seriously enjoying her academic journey with Springdales. And I have seen a lot of improvement in her right from the very beginning. Over the years, I would say the main thing why she is here and she is enjoying her journey is that Springdales is not just about academics. It is about a lot more. It is about providing an overall environment that helps the student to grow.
right.
And over the years, I have actually seen that. So she participates in a lot of extracurricular activities, may it be science projects, may it be the poetry cafe for English, may it be the maths club. And apart from that, she is also joining a lot of different activities, after school activities. She has tried skating, she has tried basketball, she has tried, now she's doing keyboard. And she has developed, I mean, the way the teachers engage, she has actually developed interest in everything. She's not just doing it for the sake of doing.
Right,
So that holistic development is actually what I really appreciate. Yeah.
right. And it's a great time, isn't it, to be doing that, to trying all these different things
Oh,
and then
yes.
deciding
Oh,
which two or three,
yes.
because you can't do them all, unfortunately.
Yeah, yeah,
But
yeah. And where sometimes it happens that parents start feeling that pressure. Okay, now every day we have a new event happening and there is so much pressure on the students. But teaching at the university level, I feel this is something which is really very important and right at this stage.
yes,
Otherwise, students do suffer at a later stage. They lack confidence, they lack presentation skills,
yes.
they lack networking skills. But at this stage, if the students are participating in everything, I think that really helps you for their overall development. So parents must realize that uh, students need to come out of the four walls of the classroom. They need to come out of just a pure focus on good grades and academics, but they need to work on their overall development. That is something that is really important.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes, brilliant.